Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sure. How are you? So we will still today. What we are going to do today? We were doing questions on distance time graph. So that we have continue, or you have already done those questions. Remaining questions we have done up to 6. Hello.
Yeah.
So what do you have done? We have to do those questions. Remaining questions of distance time graph PDF. Are you getting my voice?
Yeah, I am.
So what you are looking for? Do you got another PDF? Hello.
Yeah.
So do you got another PDF?
Uh, I can check. I think so.
Pardon?
I can check. I think so.
And this distance time graph you have done?
Yes.
You done by your own.
Yeah.
Can you tell me about 17th questions? Can you do the seventh question you have? Can you do that? Do you have that PDF video with you?
No, I don't.
I'm sending it I'm sending it again to you.
So I have a test next week.
Pardon?
I have a test next week
For what?
for sequences, functions, and graphs.
Sequences. So I was teaching you sequences. You bring me on towards this.
Yeah. There's like
So you want to do questions from sequences?
yes.
Okay, but you should tell me. I send you the sheet, by the way. Anyway, if you are having tests, then definitely we should go there for sequences. You send me the sheet.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, so from where we have to do, what is it? One more?
No, these are just all the worksheets that's part of our topic thing. So
This is for distance time graph. Oh my God, you send me all. Anyway, we should take just one first. We finish that. After that, we'll move to the next. Should we go to the sequences?
yeah, sure.
So sheet one, there are there is written easy, intermediate, then hard. So from where we have to start? Shreya,
Yeah.
from where we have to start? We have you have easy, intermediate, and hard. So which question we start?
For the 1 minute, let me check.
You just go through with the sheet.
The start with intermediate.
Intermediate, first sheet.
Yes.
Okay. Now we come to intermediate. So question is like that. This is, question number 1, right? It is intermediate, right? So it is saying find the nth term. Okay. First sequence is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 10. This is the sequence, right? So find nth term, right? How you will get that? First, term to term. So geometric progression, A is equal to A2 is equal to A r raised to the power 2 minus 1. 2 is 1 by 2. Sorry. This is 1 by 4. This is A is 1 by 2. You get R. So it is, so you get R is equal to 2. In second, we get 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2 into R raised to the power 2. Right? Because this was second term, this is third term. So there will be 3 minus 1. So it is 2. So when it goes on the other side, it becomes 3. 3 is not a, right? So this is not, R is 1 upon 3 root over. So not dp, geometric progression. No geometric progression. So if I go with that term to term, there was linear, geometric, and now linear sequence if I talk about. So an a2 is equal to a plus d. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
How I get it? Because a2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into D. And this 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So always from this number, here number will be 1 less. So that's why we can write A2 is equal to A plus D. So here we take 1 by 2, no, 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 becomes D. So what will be your answer? One minus 2 D. So you are getting how much? Minus 1 by 2 D. Is this fair? No, it's not like that. Minus 1 upon 4. So again, if I go by 6, 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 2, so we'll take is equal to 2D. So it is 6 is here, 1 minus 3, so it's 2D. This is minus 2 upon 6 is equal to D minus 1 upon 3D. Share. Share.
Yeah.
Is this, it is not following geometric sequence, it is not following, you know, linear sequence, then what kind of sequence that it will be? Do you check?
It's so what they're doing is each time they're just adding two. So
1 upon 2 is a difference. Now something I'm doing wrong, I hope. Clearly indicates that there is a difference of 1 by 2. 1
yeah,
by 2. Yeah, right.
find the nth term. It's going to be
Hey, that first we can only get the nth term when we get the what kind of we get the common difference, right?
yeah. It's
So
plus two to the base.
so there is, if I'm doing this 2 is 1 upon 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to D, right? If I take 4 as an LCM, it is 1 minus 2 is equal to D. So it is reducing 1 by 2 reduced minus, okay, if I 1 by 2 subtracted from 1 by 2, then we get 2 as an LCM, 1 minus 1. It's not possible. What wrong I am doing? 4. There is, there is a position term we can say, right? No. Position term, like first term is a by 2, 1 by 2. After that, every term is multiplied by 1 by 2. This is term to term, but in this way. Hello? First term is, this is term to term sequence. Term to term, right? First term is 1 by 2, then multiplied by multiplied by no, then only it will not work. 6 is there, na? 1, 6, 10. And hello.
Yeah.
What do you suggest?
It's
Oh my God. If I rub all this, so if 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1, we get 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 2, then we get 1 by 4. If 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 3, then it is 1 by 6. If 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 8. So when multiplied by 1 by 5, then it is 1 by 10, right? So this is we can say this is 1. So we can write the 1 by 2, 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by n, right, is giving you 1 upon 2n. This is the nth term. This is the sequence. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep on going up to n. Here is n. N is equal to, if n is equal to 1, then we get 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by n, you get it?
Yeah.
So this is here we have position to term sequence. Now, position to term. N is equal to 1. Position 1, then it is 1 by 2. Position 2, then it is 1 upon 4. Position 3, then it is 1 upon 6. Position 4, then it is like that. So nth term will be 1 upon. So nth term will be 1 upon 2n. Is it? Shreya,
Yeah.
will it okay?
Yeah.
So I hope you have any other option. Hello.
Yeah.
In my thought, it is position to term sequence where 1 by 2 into 1 upon n is position, right? And we get this sequence, right? You can say it is quadratic sequence, and nth term will be 1 upon 2n. Okay? Are you doing something else?
No.
So why you are much slow? Should I rub this?
Yeah, you can rub it.
What is the next question you have? Question number 2. Nth term of a sequence is 4n squared 4n squared plus n plus 3. This is nth term. Right, Shreya? This is nth term. Right? Now, if n is equal to 1, so a is equal to 4 into 1 squared plus 1 plus 3. So it becomes 1 square is 1 multiplied 1 time 4 times 1 becomes 4 plus 1 plus 3, it becomes 8. A2 is A2 is 4. Sorry, when n is equal to if n is equal to 2, then a is equal to 4 bracket 2 square plus 2 plus 3. Getting? So 4 into 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 3. So 4 times 4 becomes 16 plus 5. It becomes 21. Right? Do you get? Shreya?
Um,
So A2 is how much? 21. A2 is 21. A2 means n is equal to 2. Right?
yeah.
Is it? Now find the value of n when the nth term is 498. मतलब 498 is equal to nth term is, here it is given as nth term is 498. Getting? So how we get that? 4 n square plus n plus 3. Right? So what should be the value of n? If I bring this on this side, how much it will be? It is 495 is equal to 4n squared plus n, right? Okay, Shreya.
Yeah.
So how you can we use here quadratic equation? 4n squared plus n minus 495 is equal to 0, right? So we can solve it like this, that b squared minus 4ac. So b is 1 squared minus 4 into a is 4 into negative 495. Getting? When we multiply this is 1 squared minus minus plus 16 into 495. Right? Sixteen into 495, 7,920 plus 1. Okay, 7921. 7921. Right? If we take root over, yeah, it is 89. Fine. It is perfect square. So Shreya, this is discriminant we find, right? And discriminant is, so x is equal to minus x plus minus discriminant root over upon, sorry, not x, minus b plus minus 2a, right? So we write here n, not x. N is equal to, so there will be n is equal to minus b. So there is minus 1 plus minus root over 7921 upon 2 into 8. कितना है? 8? That is 8. So n is equal to minus 1 plus minus, its root over is 89 upon 8. Right?
Yeah.
So what happens? N is equal to, if I take minus 1 plus 89 upon 88, sorry, upon 8. So minus negative 1 plus 89 becomes 88 upon 8. It becomes 11. So n is equal to 11th term. Right? Because if I take another one, if I take minus minus, so it's negative, it is 90, it is not going to be solved. So that is not applicable. N is equal to minus 1 minus 89 upon 8 is not applicable. Not applicable. Right? So we have n is equal to 11. If we put 11 here, we get the same value. 495 is equal to 4 into 11 square plus 11 plus 3. So what is 4 into 121 plus 14? How much you get now? 484. 484 plus 14 becomes 495. Is this correct? Chair? Shreya,
Yeah.
is this correct?
That's what I was doing.
You are doing?
Yeah, that's what I was.
What I did, I made this quadratic equation and then I solved it by Sridharachar's formula and get the value of n. So I get the value of n 11, n is 11 and this is not applicable, it is negative 90 upon 8. So it is not going to be exactly divisible. Term should not be half, right? Either first term, second term, 2000 term, but 2000.5 term will not be there. Term will not be in fraction. So that's why it is not applicable. And when I check this, I find we are getting the same. So I hope you get that. Should we move to the next?
Yeah.
How your teacher told you?
We just do it normally, like.
Yeah. Anyway, okay. Here is a sequence. Fine. Okay. Question number 3. Shreya. So there is a sequence. Fine. There is A, then we have 13, then we have 9, then we have 3, then we have -5, then we have -15, right? Then we have B. Okay, this is a sequence, right? Find the value of A and B. Shreya,
Yeah.
do you get me what question is asking for? There is A 13, 9, 13, 9, 3, -5, -15 and B. So how we get them? They are what they have what kind of progression? Hello. What kind of sequence? You know, this is 13 is equal to A plus B, right? And then I write 9 is equal to A plus 2D, right? So if we subtract these, subtract all these, so this is cancelled out, right? and this is 13. This is 4 is equal to minus D. D is equal to minus 4. Right. Now, if I take the next one, then what happens? 9 is equal to A plus 2D, and 3 is equal to A plus 3D. Then what happens? Again minus, minus, minus. So it is cancelled out. It is minus 6 is equal to, no, 6 is equal to minus D. Right. So not in linear sequence. Not in linear sequence. Fine. Shreya, are you there with me?
Yeah.
How you do this? If I write, suppose A, this is 13, 9, 3, minus 5, minus 15, and B. So first difference will be what? First difference, इसको भूल जाते हैं अभी हम, right? This is 13 minus A, forget about this. This is how much? This is how much? Minus 4, right? This will be how much? Minus 6, right? What will be the difference between these two? It is minus 8, and this will be, difference is minus 15, sorry, minus 10, and this will be difference minus B plus 15. Right, Shreya? In second difference, are you getting me? This is quadratic sequence. Now in second difference, what happens? Second difference. They all are same because this difference between these two is -2. Between these two is -2, right? Between these two is -2. So between these two will also -2 and between these two will also -2. Do you get this? Hello?
Yeah.
Do you get this? In seconds difference, they all are same, right? -2, -2. These are basically same, which are given us. This we on this basis we can say they will also be difference of -2, right? So there will be here you get how you get this difference of -2, that is -6 minus -4. So -6 plus 4 becomes -2. And here you get a difference of -2. You take -8 minus -6. You get -8 plus 6 becomes -2. And from here you get it -10 minus -8 becomes -10 plus 8 becomes -2. So, okay. So first we are writing this. So so here will be -4 minus 13 minus a is equal to -2. Sorry, -2, right? So what we do, we bring this on this, so we can write -4 minus 13 plus a is equal to -2. This is how much? 17 minus 17 plus a is equal to 2. So, sorry, -2. So, a is equal to, this turns into plus 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. So, a is equal to 15. Getting? Shreya? This a will be 15,
Right.
right? And how you get this? What will be the value of b? Could you tell me? We will write here minus b plus 15. How we get b plus 15, man? How? ठीक है, ठीक है. Minus b plus 15 minus 10 is equal to -2, right? So it becomes minus b minus 15 plus 10 is equal to minus 2, right? So this is how much? Minus b minus 5 something is wrong. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, minus b plus 5. No, 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 no. It's not as a whole. It is a term, minus b plus 15, right? Minus 10 is equal to this. So you will get minus 5 plus 15 plus 10 minus 2. So how much you will get now? It is minus, it is 25. My plus 20, 15 plus 10 becomes plus 25, right? Right? And there is, but it should be in negatives. We are getting in positive. Minus 5 plus 15 minus plus. This is 25 is equal to minus 2. <clears throat> 27 is correct. Minus b is equal to minus 27. There will be minus 27. But a minus b is creating problem. How we can solve this, Shreya? The difference is in 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So there will be, next will be 12. 12 minus 50, the minus 12 minus 15 becomes minus 27. So B will be minus 27, exactly. But it will be minus. What mistake I am doing, that this minus is not going to be removed. Either I should write like this, here I should write b minus 15, right? So it will be b plus 15. Fine. Now, when we write it here, this is b plus 15 now. Now, when we b plus 15, are you with me? B
Yeah.
plus 15 minus 10 minus 10, it becomes, this is removed off, this minus is removed off, this minus is removed off. So b plus 15 minus plus 27, it becomes b plus 27 minus, so b is equal to minus 27. So here we get, so this will be the, b minus 15 becomes b plus 15. That will be the term here, right? And when we subtract it, then we get minus 2. So that we use it. First we write this, then we have taken this, and then we solve, and we get the value of b is equal to minus 27. Do you get? Here. Did you get what I did? Shreya,
Yeah, I did.
do you understand?
Yeah.
This is a quadratic sequence, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Quadratic sequence. Oh my God. Okay. So, should I remove? Yeah. Can I drop all this? This is a quadratic sequence,
Yeah.
right? I'm going to rub. Now we are coming to hard, right? How you are doing that? That is question number 1. Shreya, question number 1, part A. Find the nth term.
Yeah.
Find nth term, right? There are 4, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, right? So if we check, we can write A2 is equal to A plus D. So 2 minus 4 is equal to D. So minus 2 is equal to D, right? If I take 4 is equal to, no, if this is 0 is equal to 4 plus 2D, third term. So minus 4 is equal to 2D. So minus 2 is equal to D. If I take third term, that is minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 3D. So it is minus 6 is equal to 3D. So minus 2 is equal to D, right? So it is arithmetic sequence, arithmetic progression, arithmetic progression, arithmetic progression, or or linear sequence, right? So A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 2. So nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So it is nth is equal to A is 4 plus n minus 1 into minus 2, 2, right? So it is 4 plus minus 2n minus minus plus 2. So you can write 4 minus 2n plus 2. So nth term is nth term. So nth term is 6 minus 2n. Do you get? Nth term is 6 minus 2n, right? If you put the value of n, you will get the term. So what will be the sixth term? Term.
Yeah.
What happens? You are not in. You are not feeling well.
Oh no, I'm feeling well.
So this is the arithmetic sequence, linear sequence. We get the nth term. Nth is equal to 6 minus 2n. Fine. Can you tell me the sixth term? N is equal to 6. So A6 is equal to 6 minus 2 into 6. 6 minus 12. It becomes minus 6. Getting? So sixth term will be minus 6. You can get n number of terms with this nth term. Right? Should I rub?
Yeah, you can rub it.
Okay. B part. What is that?